Express!
Hey there, campers! Ready for a fun camping vocabulary quiz? Let's spot the gear, learn the words, and have some outdoor fun. Let's get started. Level 1. Listen and choose. Tent. Tent. Bug spray. Bug spray. Marshmallow. Marshmallow. Campfire. Campfire. Nice work! Level 2. What's missing? Look closely. What's missing? Backpack. Look closely. What's missing? Compass. Look closely. What's missing? Lantern. Look closely. What's missing? Sleeping bag. Nice work! Level 3, quick flash. Watch out. What's that? A pair of boots. Watch out. What's that? A map. Watch out. What's that? A flashlight. Watch out. What's that? A water bottle.
Hooray!
Well done! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quizzes. See you next time.